Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance Remind Me. The song is Remind Me, and the artist is Patrice Rushen. The choreography is Patrice Walker. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this dance. Also, please check out the 4-day line dance weekend, the NOLA Southern Experience, July 11 through the 14th, 2024. Please visit our website to book your room and to register, www.LMIUNOLA.com. And here we go. always give you something for the beginners. It's perfect. It's slow to mid-tempo, and they can get a chance to learn those steps while they're moving. Make sure you check out the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. I would love to see you, instructors, and your group here in New Orleans. Please check out registration and the hotel at our website, www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.